ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you already know who it is. Campsite 12. I'm back with another one. This time it's a little different. So it's a beautiful day outside. The Lancer has been dirty. Guess what that means? We're gonna take it and we're gonna wash it. As you can see, pretty bad. So what I'm gonna do, I don't feel like setting up the stuff at home to wash it. So I'm simply just gonna run to a car wash. I have $4. We're gonna see what I can do with that $4. So, like I said, since I've been daily in the Lancer, I've been noticing more and more little problems. Like the clear coat is now peeling on the Lancer and it's getting pretty bad. You might not be able to see it here, but you kind of see the scratches from going through car washes over time. And then it gets worse as we work our way up. Get to the top, clear coat is dang near gone on the roof of the car. I'm not too worried because I don't feel like getting an expensive paint job for this car. Like I say in all videos, this one's just to give me point A to B into the project car. But I also have started noticing little rust spots from where a grill, or I guess you could say a grill was left on the highway and I hit it coming home one night and it was super dark where I live. As you can see in the background, I essentially live in the middle of nowhere. They're still developing the area. So there's no lights like that. So it's super dark, grill was in the middle of the road, hit it. And this is the aftermath of what happened. As you can see, it's starting to rust a little. Like I said, I'm not really worried. This car, you can laugh at it all you want, but it gets me where I need to be. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go up to the car wash this bad boy off, because like I said, it is terrible, and then just get y'all a wash video. But I just want to let y'all know that the clear coat is peeling on the Lancer. There is a little bit of rust forming. I've seen plenty of videos of how to pretty much patch the clear coat from home without getting it painted. If I did get it painted, I'll probably do Mako. Like I said, I don't need an expensive paint job for this car. Now if it was something else, yeah, we would think about it, but no, not for this car. So like I keep saying, just stay tuned for more. We're almost at 550 subscribers. Who knows, we may be at 550 by the time this video drops. But I have a couple of car shows and things like that coming up that I will be attending. The biggest one will be in April, where I will be driving a 700 horsepower Camaro. I have videos of that on the channel, so just go browse the channel. If you like what you see, subscribe. Pretty simple. Without further ado, like I keep saying over and over, let's go ahead and get this done. So now that we're here, you can really see how dirty it is. I have nowhere to really sit the phone, so I'm just gonna put the GoPro in the car and get to it. I'll show you all the after results. All right, so I'm back from the car wash and this is how it turned out. Yeah, you don't have to say anything. I already know that dent is there. For using $4, it didn't turn out bad. Oh, and I forgot though, I guess you could say one of the most important things, the towel to dry the car off was definitely left here at home. So hey, it is what it is. $4 later, the Lancer looks better. The spots actually don't look that bad. You know what? Let me turn the light on real quick. Like that's gonna make a difference. So that pretty much concludes this video. Like I said, Campsite 12. I can't wait till I find something. Like I keep saying in every video, I am not in a rush to make a mistake or get something that I would not like the Q50. I mean, I liked it, but I didn't like it. So until next time, we're checking out.